Make sure to stay until the end. We will explain what special tool you can use to replace oxygen sensors and how to test them as well. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500, guys. If you have a Fiat 500 with gasoline or diesel engine and you need to find where your downstream oxygen sensor is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. This is known as oxygen sensor bank 1, sensor 2. We're going to explain why it's so important for you guys, how if that sensor is bad it can affect your car, and how you may not pass emissions. Also we'll explain about testing them and a special tool that you need to replace them. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. If you guys need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's explain what we have here specifically, guys. This is a Fiat 500 Abarth, but even if you have an Abarth, it will work as well. If you open the hood on your Fiat, you will notice that usually the exhaust will be on the front side of the engine, the intake will be on the back side. On the turbo engines, it's super easy to locate the upstream oxygen sensor. It's that sensor here. The purpose of the upstream oxygen sensor, it's pretty simple, guys. Actually, what it does, it detects how much fuel and air you have in the exhaust system of your car. It will send that information to the engine computer. The engine computer will find out, okay, do we need to add more air, more fuel, so we have a nice balanced mixture. So if that sensor is not working, your car may experience horsepower loss, increased fuel consumption, unstable vehicle operation, engine light on, multiple things. We have special video about upstream oxygen sensor. Now the downstream oxygen sensor, we will explain about a special tool, guys, that you use for replacing the sensors that can work really good on hard to access places. This is the downstream oxygen sensor. This is right after the catalytic converter here. It will be extremely hot if your car was running, by the way. The purpose of that sensor is to detect, actually, guys, okay, if the catalytic converter is doing its job, practically for emissions, and if the catalytic converter is not cleaning, it's not working correctly, it will you will get engine light on, and most likely called P0420, which indicates catalyst system insufficient efficiency, something like that, deficiency, something like that. Or you may get even sometimes engine light relating to oxygen sensor, but that's the downstream oxygen sensor. It's right after the catalytic converter. If you want to see how to replace them, we'll be making video about that, and we will have a video how to test oxygen sensors on Fiat. Now that's a special wrench that costs a very little amount of money. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from, and it makes the replacement of oxygen sensors a piece of cake, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.